This video, I'm going to show you how to save your parking location on Android in 2026. So let's first go to the app. Tap on the blue dot that represents your current location on the map. From the menu that appears, scroll along the bottom and tap on Save Parking. Your parking location will remain saved in Google Maps until you manually remove it. We can also add notes and set a timer. So to add extra details, we can swipe up from here and we can put in a note. We can also put in timer, basically to show how much time is remaining on your parking ticket to receive reminder. Now, if we come out of there and close it down and open it up again, and we want to find the parked car, there's a number of different ways that you can do this, but the easiest way is to tap on the search bar, and you can see at the very top here, parking location, and then you can tap on directions to get a walking or a driving route back to your car. Now, what if you want to manage or remove your parking spot? So to move the location, you tap on the search bar and tap on parking location, and we can change location. And then basically we can set this little pointer to the new location and tap on the OK button at the top. If we wanted to share our parking spot, again tap on the search bar, tap on your parking location, swipe up and tap on the share button. If you want to clear or delete the spot, again tap on the parking location and then just hit the clear button. And that's basically all there is to it.